Oh, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. Oh, I just found this small house here, not small, a little bit big, with a broken barn there falling apart. So yeah, let's go check this place out. Oh, I just hear some boom. So yeah, let's get started before something bad happens. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we see in the house, in the barn, there's a dead bird here. Oh, rest in peace, bird. Maybe should I have a, when people die, they dig into the ground and stuff like that. Have a little party about that. Oh, they definitely like Germany cars. Yeah. So yeah, here's the barns connected to the house. It's going in there with crazy colors as always in old houses. It's not that old because it looks very good from outside. Oh, no dead body laying down there? No. Weird. And this barn over there, it's collapsed. As you can see. Yeah. But the house looks very good from outside. Also nice roof, and people living without roof on top of their head, They are homeless, and then there's just a house like this standing, falling apart. The world gives no sense sometimes. So let's go check it out. It's a weird way to the house from. There's two ways. There's toilet way and normal way. But here's a toilet. Very nice toilet. I've been sitting on the same seat there, like there's that. And look, we are in here. So yeah. And somebody young stupid people have been here and destroyed the sink. Next time I see you, I will destroy you like you destroyed the sink. Very bad for the toilet and bathtub. Now they feel lonely. So yeah, let's continue. Oh, there's also attic here. Attic and another stair. Oh my god. We are going very high to the heaven today. And yeah, they also try to maybe take the house down. It looks like that, removing all stuff from inside. Yeah, I think so. Oh, little storing room down here. But there's no space for me and normal people now in the days. Also here is how it's made. Storage room. Oh, nice design there on yeah. What's weird? Why just not make a single room and a lot of, of this furnitures and not a bomb. I think it's a barn. And it's a little bit wind today. But it's good because it's hot. Oh, my car is down there, I think. Nobody else. But look how good condition it is. But yeah, they are tearing it down. Because they've been removing this radiator. But yeah. That's how it is. It's sad, but that's how it is. What happened in here, and why they was making the attic like this? Did they do something illegal? There's an alarm on the house also. Ah. Why did they do like this? Maybe because to not get the cold from upstairs, I don't know. I'm confused, as always in places. Oh, the electricity. just laying down on the ground. We cannot see how much we used this day. Oh, it's not good. But nice lamp here. Definitely have seen better days. But yeah, here's the main entrance though for the guests. Yeah, come inside. Big table here, and television over there, and here also is over here, and then kitchen out here. Yeah. But this smart. This is smart. This can roll. Yeah, very. It's Albert Einstein probably may make that. So yeah, let's go upstairs now. But weird colors. Black, yellow. Yeah, only black, yellow today. Red up here. Oh my god. Black, red and yellow. And it's not even finished, I can see. Oh, nice up here. Look, they not even finished it. So what hell happened here? That's a good question. Oh my god, why I see a lot of dead souls around me all the time. Rest in peace, B. Oh, may you have a great night. Oh, look up here. Oh, it's so dark up here. What's down? Is there something exciting down there? No. Not at all. There's not a box full of coins. Gold coins for me. Whoa, I was falling. No, not today. Never, I think. Oh, look now. Yeah. That's weird. Whoa, whoa. So let's try to see a little bit of the barn. I think there's not so much to look at. There's also this big red barn there, but I don't think there's anything in it like the house. Oh, it's for catching animals. Oh, look how dangerous it's in here. So I need to get this done. So yeah, here have been the horses. Cows maybe. I don't know. But maybe you know. Since there's some metal hanging there. Like that. A small place for them. Yeah, oh, that's the way where they live. Okay. Watch your head when you walk. My god. Crazy. Oh. Oh my god, I got rats here. Yeah, they also try to keep people away. But now it's just standing here. Not so good. So this house is going to die. Rest in peace, house. So yeah, what can I say? So yeah, I'll just continue the road. And always remember this house, how it was. Oh, spider. So yeah, I guess we see each other in a new world house. All your things gonna be rebuilt and restored to a new house maybe. Yeah, so yeah, see you. Oh, and I see you too also guys. I hope you enjoyed the video like me I did. Oh, I always enjoy my videos. So yeah, let's see each other in the next video, and in the meantime you can have fun and stay safe. and remember to drink water. So yeah, see you.